Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla key fob battery. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. You'll also want to place a soft cloth on your work surface to protect it from scratches. Having these essential items ready will make the entire replacement process smooth and straightforward for you. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. Once separated, you'll see the internal components. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your screwdriver to carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are seated correctly. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working properly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.